It's Saturday, December 19th, 2015, opening day of the new Acton train station. It's very impressive. We now have 2 tracks, and trains will be operating from both inbound and outbound. And a very, very, very long platform. I can't get over it. Must be a quarter of a mile long. I'm going to walk over the bridge if I can, which is brand new. I've joked with some of the workers over the past several months about the extension of the tower on that side of the tracks, asking what it was for. Nobody seemed to know, but eventually somebody told me it's to have the T sign as an MBTA up there. We talked about the $50,000 sign. Unbelievable. So this is probably kind of bouncy as I enter and go up the stairs. You see there's still some guys around working, but this is the first day that there's been train service both ways. Unofficial opening day. It's going to be a formal opening in I think early January. I read it in the paper somewhere. So here we go. There is an elevator. That's the elevator shaft. You can see it over there, all glass sides. And there's an elevator on this side as well. But I'm not going to take the elevator. I'm going to walk, see what it's like. Here we go. Sorry for the bouncy pictures. Stop on the platform just so you can see the surroundings. Not much to look at, but pretty nice job here on this bridge. Straight ahead of me is the elevator door. The elevator is all glass, including the door. So here we get a feel for that. I don't know if it's working. I assume it is, but I'm not going to take it. Not going to push the button. And here we go across the bridge, which is rather short. Just has to go over 2 railroad tracks. There we're looking inbound to the city, Boston, and outbound to Littleton and eventually to Pittsburgh, the end of the line. Very impressive. There's the elevator on the inbound side. Same deal as on the outbound side. And steps down. There have been several old-timers like me over the course of the last many months watching this construction project, which was quite huge on a day-to-day basis. So we're all happy to see it finished. Now I'm on the outbound side. There's the bridge. And the elevator, as you can see, is all in glass. Now the wind is even blowing the It's supposed to be 16 mile-per-hour winds today. Congratulations. You did it. Trains come and go okay?
Yeah.
That's good. Both tracks? It's the first day you've used the outbound track, right?
No, they used it last Monday.
Oh, okay. So it worked okay, huh? Great. Very nice job here. Still some work going on. one heck of a large movie. So I think I'll stop it now. For those not familiar with the Acton train station, there's a nice walkway. First of all, there's a large, but yet not large enough, parking lot for the regular commuters, and some meters as well. And this is the walkway that takes me out to Main Street, right at the foot of the bridge. So I'm going to stop here and take the walkway.